Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixHack. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete games and applications on your PlayStation 5. And there's a couple different ways we can do that. The first way, we can just delete an individual game from the home screen by just going over it and then pressing options on it. So let's find a game to delete. So I don't think I've played this Astro's Playroom a whole lot anymore, so I'm going to press options on it. And then here's the option to delete it. So this will remove it from here. Now, if you ever want to go ahead and get this back in the future, you need to go to the game library, then go to your collection, and you can find it under here to re-download it in the future. So you can see here it is at the top. I can just go to it and then download it. Boom, right there. Now, another way we can delete games and stuff is by going to settings. And we can go down to storage, and this will allow us to delete multiple games at the same time. So if you got an M.2 SSD plugged in, your storages are going to be separated. So let's go to console storage and then go to games and apps. And then wait for this to load. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer. Now we can go to the game and we can press X on it. And we select items to delete. So we can delete Verizon, Roblox, YouTube, etc. So we can just go to the game or app and then go on over to delete and go to OK. And it'll delete it off my PlayStation 5. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.